I flew over 8,000 kilometers from Valencia, Spain to San Antonio, Texas. And one place I just have to come to every time I'm here proves that everything is bigger in Texas. This place has enough food, clothes, and weapons to supply an entire army. Welcome to the largest gas station in the world. Listos? Vamonos! So I am currently en route to one of Texas's greatest treasures. And no, I'm not talking about the Alamo. I'm not talking about the state capitol either. I'm not even talking about Cowboy Stadium. Where we're going today is a gas station. Now you may be wondering, why would a gas station be a Texas treasure? Well, it's not just any gas station. This gas station has 120 gas pumps. I mean, the gas pumps just go on forever and ever and ever. And there's two rows. There's this row of gas pumps, and there's one right behind it. I mean, look, even our military stops at Buc-ee's. They're so popular, you even get military members stopping here to get some food because it's the place to go. See, and just to show you how big this place is, it stretches 70,000 square feet, which is about 7,000 square meters, which is bigger than the size of a football field. This is a gas station here in Texas. And just to show you guys what they sell everything. These are deer blinds. You can go inside and hunt for deer. I'm inside one of the deer blinds right now, and I'll tell you what, it's pretty hot in here. Let's take you guys inside the store. Ice cream maker. And I mean, this place is just so massive. It's enormous, and it's packed, as you can see. It's like a mall. You know, you walk around this place, and it is huge. Coffee stations, drink stations, there's everything. Let me show you guys this coffee station. Look at these coffees. It's endless, really. They have everything you could ask for. Creams, sugars, lids. They have everything. Maybe on the flavorings too. Then there is the fountain drink station with its incredible amount of options. And you can pick between all these flavors. And so it's pretty impressive what you can get here for $1.50. And the size. Look at the size of these things. $1.50 for this cup. $1.50, and I can pick whatever I like. So let's see what we got. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this tea. Let's see how good it is. It's sweet, that's for sure. I pretty much guarantee I'm not gonna finish this whole thing. But for $1.50, you can't beat it. After having my extra large drink, I all of a sudden have the urge to show you Buc-ee's world famous restrooms. This is one of the best parts of stopping at Buc-ee's. You are guaranteed that you're going to walk into a clean restroom. In the United States, most people will dread stopping at a gas station restroom. I mean, if you have to go, you have to go. But 99 times out of 100, those restrooms are going to be unkept and pretty much disgusting. Not here though. You come to a Buc-ee's, you're guaranteed a pretty great experience. Buc-ee's has so many roadside snack options, it is truly a bit overwhelming. Its walls are lined with chocolates, nuts, candies, chips, and popcorn of so many different varieties that it quickly starts to feel like scrolling through today's streaming services. So many options that you don't even know what to pick. It seems never ending. They even have a wall dedicated to their homemade beef jerky. My wife, of course, charged me with bringing back some of her favorite snacks. Now, my wife did put me in charge of getting some beef jerky, so I gotta take some home, back to España, porque si no, me van a matar. One thing my wife did say, bring me some beaver nuggets. Bucky's bold and spicy. One. White cheddar habanero. Madre mia. And it's not just snacks. Bucky's is full of their homemade sauces and seasonings, and even some delicious curiosities. Quail eggs. Pickled asparagus. Pickled okra. Pickled garlic. And this might be my favorite thing here. Candied jalapenos. They're pickled, but they're sweet, they're candied. With a nice cheese and some crackers. But one of Bucky's major claims to fame is the fact that they make all of the food they sell in-house. All of their barbecue, sandwiches, tortillas, tacos, beef jerky, and pastries are all made daily in-house. Lovely. And what hits you when you walk in to Bucky's is the smell. The smells of fresh made tortillas, the smells of fresh made cookies, the smells of barbecue. You're just overwhelmed with so many smells and good smells. I mean, you come in and you might not even be hungry, but as soon as you walk in here, your stomach is going to start to rumble because you're just inundated with all these delicious smells. Beautiful, beautiful. Texas hospitality with that worker back there. Beautiful lady. To run an operation of this scale requires a massive amount of hardworking people. Excuse me, I have another question for you. How many employees do you guys have here? I'm curious. Oh, perfect. I would have guessed 100 because this place is so massive. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So as the young lady just told us, about 100 employees. That was her best guess. And that's what I would think too. I mean, this place is just so big. Bucky's truly has everything you may need, and a lot of stuff you definitely do not need. Thermal cups and plushies? You got it. Coolers of all shapes, sizes, and prices? You got it. Toys for a day out on the water? You got it. People go out of their way to visit Bucky's. Bucky's is not just a gas station. People who come to Texas, who are from Texas and are doing any sort of road travel, will go out of their way to stop out at Bucky's. Not only because of the amazing food options and the clean restrooms, because you can find literally things you may not have even thought that you needed. They have bathing suits, they have baseball caps, they have absolutely every type of clothing you can think of, and even a beaver suit. If you love Bucky's that much, come and get yourself a full-size beaver suit. Now, this is not my first time in a Bucky's, but even I find myself overwhelmed with the amount of things that they have here. It's a consumerist paradise. Look at all these things. No matter which way you go, no matter which way you look, there's things for you to buy. And you can literally buy something for everyone. What would you call this? A mega store? The equivalent of a mega store? And that's what it is. It absolutely is. But it's an experience. It's a unique experience here in Texas because, I mean, look, I've been walking around here for almost an hour now. And there are still things that I have yet to see. Bucky's also has a nice assortment of hunting gear. You can find tactical gear, knives, and even bear spray. No guns, but they do have gun cases. And if you forgot your gun case at home, don't worry, Bucky's has you. A floating gun case for your rifles in case you falls in the water and you don't want them to get wet. This might be my favorite wall in the whole store. All right, how about that? All of a sudden I want to go watch a Western movie. I think I found my look. What do you guys think? Twist the mustache, give it a real Texan look here. Let's see. Because Spain is going to win the World Cup. I might just take this with me.
Now that I had a full cart, I made one last round throughout the store to make sure I wasn't forgetting anything.
There you go, buddy.
I grabbed some of the food that I missed the most and made my way to the register.
So my cart is pretty full with all my Buc-ee's gear. Quite a bit of requests from my wife to pick up some beaver nuggets, toys for the girls, and things that they could enjoy back home that we don't get in Spain. I'm sure you get this all the time. You have amazing eyes. Yeah, I bet.
Brisket sandwich. And look at this.
The meat is seasoned so perfectly. It's nice and moist with some barbecue sauce, and it's already tender from the way they smoke it. These long smokes, you can't beat it. No, I'm sure there's probably 1,000 calories in this, but it's well worth it. You can walk it off later. Now we're gonna try the peach cobbler, the pie. It's got nice big chunks of peaches in it. So when my friends and neighbors back in Spain ask me, what is it that you miss most about the United States or Texas? Aside from the obvious answer, which is friends and family, it's things like this. Having a big store that is open 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. Always convenient. I mean, that's why we call them here, aside from gas stations, we call them convenience stores, because they're convenient. And this place is one of the most convenient places ever. I mean, they have everything and anything you could possibly ask for. And even some things you never even thought you needed, or you probably don't even need. But it's nice to have them available if you need it. It's nice to have them there. And this place, like you saw, it sells everything. Barbecue pits, firewood, ice cream makers, food, clothing. From 120 gas pumps on this station to the award-winning cleanest restrooms in the United States. Or the world even. I'm not sure. If any of you guys watching this video ever make your way to Texas, put Buc-ee's on your itinerary. You won't regret it. It's one of the best places to stop just to see how big things are here in Texas. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hype the video. It always helps our channel. And let me know down in the comments section about your experiences, if you've been to Buc-ee's or other gas stations that are similar. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Hasta luego.